Andito tayo ngayon sa Saturday Forum. On November 20, the Pasig Regional Trial Court is naglabas na po ng desisyon para kay Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go along with Rochelle Malonzo, Carion, Jamelin Cruz, and Walter Wongbong guilty for qualified human trafficking at hinatulan ito ng panghabang buhay. So ngayon naman ating makakapanayam at ating pakinggan yung paliwanag ni Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission Winston John Casio. Pakinggan po natin.
Organizing a business for the purposes of trafficking in persons. Iba ho kasi yung prohibited acts na halimbawa selling or buying, transporting, harboring men and women for the purposes of sexual and labor trafficking. Iba yon. Itong kay Alice Guo is organizing. Nagtayo siya ng negosyo which is Baupulan Development. Ang end goal ng Baupulan Development is to be able to develop a scam hub that would victimize people for the purposes of scamming. No? So what she did was nagtayo siya ng tinatawag nating pig butchering scam hub. Yun yung negosyo ng Sun Yuan Technology, yung kumpanya nagpapatakbo ng Pogo doon sa Bamban Tarlac. That is the very first conviction not only in the Philippines, but that is the first conviction in medyo complicated yung kay former presidential spokesman Harry Roque, in as much as he has applied for political asylum in the Netherlands. Sabihin lang po namin na yung ating gobyerno ay nag-apply na po ng red notice laban kay Ginoong Roque early this year through the Philippine Center for Transnational Crime, sapagkat ang PCTC, sila po ang National Coordinating Bureau ng ating Interpol. Po na yung Lucky South 99, itinayo nila Duan Renwu, Jamje at saka ni Cassie Leong para gayahin yung ginawa doon sa Bamban. In fact, yung Lucky South 99 ang pinagmulan ng pera ng Bamban, sapagkat yung grupo ng Lucky South 99 at saka Bamban, proven na po namin yan na isang grupo lang po yan, Pujan Court. Kaya sa mga nag-aabogado dyan, who provide ng professional services to whatever, alamin nyo kung anong purpose ng inyong siservisyuhan. Eto, kumbinsido kami, alam ni Mr. Roque at alam ni Cassie Leong, yung kanilang negosyo, para mang gago ng tao, gumamit ng tao. So yun yung case theory at kinatigan po tayo ng RTC niyan. We are confident na kahit iakyat pa po yan sa Court of Appeals or sa Supreme Court, kakatigan pa rin po. Ano po ba yung case theory natin? By the way, dapat nating pasalamatan dito si former City Prosecutor Benjamin Samson, na ngayon ay na-appoint bilang judge ng Manila, RTC judge na ng Manila ngayon. Yung case theory ng team ni Judge Samson noon ay hindi kinakailangan may direct participation ka doon sa acts of trafficking.